Some tips for making your backers look better when you're doing these loops, especially when you're layering them. After you do the first one, each one you do after that, hold it up to the original one and make sure that they match up. Also, before you staple the loop onto the backer, hold your scissors like I am doing and it will show you if it is centered and straight. That way your backer is going to look so much better. Another quick tip, when you're doing loops, it works best to start with the first 4 in a north, south, east, and west pattern. You will make that square in the center and it will make it so much easier to work from that. Adding these printed soft satin ribbons is a great way to personalize the backers. I don't know who this is going to be for yet, so I'm leaving some of them blank. That way I can add other things like band or basketball, baseball, stuff like that to it at a later time. As you can see, the way I am attaching these #1 ribbons, I have one going one direction and one going the other direction. That way when I attach the backer, I don't have to be careful about how I put it on there.